So, before we get into this video, did you know that over 90% of our viewers aren't actually subscribed to our channel? So, if you like our content, do us a massive favour, click on the subscribe button and then there'll be more Global Air Supplies content coming your way. In hydro systems, managing your nutrient temperature is crucial, especially in the warmer months. Standard black irrigation pipe absorbs heat, and that can lead to a rise in your nutrient temperatures, which can cause stress on your plants and impact their growth. Left unchecked, this can lead to poor nutrient uptake, bacteria growth, and lower yields. Luckily for you, we've got a solution. Stay tuned to find out how Global Air Supplies are helping you build a better, cooler system this summer. This is IcePipe. It's designed for growers who want to level up their system without overheating the nutrient solution. The white outer surface reflects the heat instead of absorbing it like your standard black pipe does, so that helps to keep your nutrient solution cooler and more stable. By reducing heat absorption, IcePipe helps to prevent root stress. It also keeps your beneficial bacteria alive and helps you to maintain nutrient integrity. It's flexible, durable, kink resistant, and really easy to work with. This makes it perfect for hydroponic and drip feed setups. So IcePipe comes in two different diameters. You've got 16mm or 25mm, and they're both available in 15m or 30m rolls. So whether you're running a recirculating system or a DIY dripper setup, IcePipe gives you full control over the conditions in your grow room. The top spin dripper distributes nutrients evenly across your plants, and it's really easy to connect to the IcePipe with either a 16mm or a 25mm fitting. The Flexi tank is a durable, collapsible nutrient tank, and it's perfect for growers who need extra space or an easy setup. These three products give you a cost-effective way to create your own dripper system that stays cooler, lasts longer, and helps to increase your yields.
A lot of people sell this product. What you'll notice on this version is a genuinely branded IcePipe, so it means it's trademarked. We've trademarked the product, and also you've got the UK flag there, meaning it's manufactured in the UK. It's a great product. How it works, basically, it's got an outer white sheath and a black inner. What the outer white sheath does, it reflects the light away from the water inside there, dropping it a couple of degrees while it's sat in the pipe till its next feed. So if you use it on IWS or a Trident system, what it will do will keep the water cooler in the pipe until the next run. I should have used it in this grow room, completely forgot about it. So on the next run when we set up, we're going to be using IcePipe, and I'm going to measure the water temperature in here. I have done it before, and it's always slightly lower in the IcePipe than in the black pipe. It's a great product anyway, so even if you're not too concerned about the water temperature, it's really easy to use. It fits on the 16mm fittings and also the IWS 25mm fittings that we have. We have two different sizes in this pipe. It's a great all-round product. Remember, always buy IcePipe because it's a branded product from us, and make sure you've got the UK flag on there, making sure it's UK quality. Great little product. Just use it in your grow room for absolutely everything when you're piping up a hydroponic system.
IcePipe is simple, flexible, and efficient. It helps to keep your nutrient solution cooler by reflecting the heat instead of absorbing it. It's the ideal upgrade to help optimize nutrient temperature management. If you liked this week's product focus video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Global Air Supplies content. Thanks!